In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3D Breakline DGN deliverables for e-files. For each corridor, you're going to create a 3D Breakline DGN. So here I have a corridor open, and what I want to do first is just make sure that my corridor's design stage is set to final. So doing that, I'm just going to select the corridor and go to Properties. Here, this design stage here says it's design. I will change it to final. You see it's going to tighten up the spacing. Once that's complete, it will open up here. I have this 3D view open. I will set it just to top. And in here, the only thing I want on is TL levels. So I'll just turn everything off and just turn on all the TL levels. And these are the break lines for that DGN. So now I'm just going to place a fence. Then I'm going to save fence to file. I'm not going to save it to project-wise. I actually created my e-files folder out on a local drive. Here's my e-files folder name. Here's the 3D Breakline folder. In here I'm going to give it my name. It's just going to be BRK. This will just be the corridor name, followed by the county, route, parent, and geographic coordinate system. I will select save. And then after I do that, if I look in the lower left-hand corner, you can see it's asking me to accept. So I will just left-click to accept that, and it's done. We can go take a look at that file. Here I'm going to close my corridor file here. And I'm going to go open up that Breakline DGN that I just made. Here's the file I made. I'm just going to open it. So if I look in here in fit view, you can see here are all my break lines for this specific corridor. I will do this for each corridor file. Create the BRK DGN. It's just the 3D DGN with all the break lines in it. One way to easy check is here. If I check my level display, the only levels I should see in this DGN are TL, underbar, and then the name of that break line. And that's it for creating 3D Breakline DGNs for e-file deliverables.